This is the next step in machining gears. This stock right here is 8620, and so what I'm doing is making new gears. You saw me before machining 4140, and I decided to switch to 8620. It's a little bit easier case hardening. It's a little bit process is a little bit simpler, so I decided to make new gears. I didn't want to bore you with all the cuts I had to make. I started out with a 2-inch piece of 2-inch diameter bar stock. This was originally 12 inches long, and I cut a bunch of sections out, slightly around 2 inches. The length of the gear itself is 1.66. So this is not quite 4 inches long, 3 3/4 actually. And I'm going to try to get 2 gears out of it. What I'm going to do is I just turned the whole thing down. I'm going to mic it and show you what I have. Then I'm going to put it in the Bridgeport and cut the teeth, make long teeth out of it, or long gear out of it. Once that's finished, I'll part it, face it off to get the exact length. I decided to do this instead of doing 4 blanks, to do 2 blanks, because it just seemed to be simpler. And you know, I gained a lot of experience on cutting the last set of gears, and so now I'm going to try to shorten the time up. The actual gear, that the original gears, which this is one of them, and this one is a worn one. You can see the chipped tooth. It is, the diameter of the gear is 1.773. So I just did the last final cut, and let me just mic it up here and see what you have. And there it is there. Let's see if you can see it, 1773. I had to set the tail stock so I wouldn't get any taper. I had a slight bit of taper, but you could see that there is no taper, because now that's the same, 1773. I probably got a half a thousandths, if that, if there's any taper instead. So now the next step here is I'm going to take this. I'm going to make a quick video, another short video. This is going to be a short one. This stock now, it's on a expandable mandrel. I pressed the mandrel in so I could turn the not actually on centers, but I could put the live center here and get it to run true. Initially I was turning it down on this, which I made up, which this is an expandable mandrel, but I found out that if I really want to do a better job, I really should have I can support it on both ends a little bit better, and it gets a nicer finish. So at this point in time, the next video you're going to see, which is going to be a few minutes, I'm going to put it on the Bridgeport. The rotary table is already set up from the last set of gears I cut. That's why I'm kind of making another set, and you'll see that's next. So I'm going to end this video, and another one's going to start in a few minutes, and you'll see the next step of cutting long gears this time, long teeth.